Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Coach Byron. I'm going to be doing a unboxing today for this air pump, Zacro Automatic air pump. Bought this off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. So we're going to check it out. Alrighty, so here we go. This comes in this pretty nice, neat boxing. It's not bad. So we got the pump here, battery powered. Nice. So they give us extra needles. We got the adapter there. Comes in its bag. And it's a little manual. Well, I've used one of these before, so I'm gonna go on ahead and put the batteries on it. All right, so I ended up putting some brand new batteries on it. I just got from Dollar Tree. And we're gonna see how this thing goes. Grab my So far, seems pretty cool. It's pretty basic. And we're all set. Get a thing. See, hold it, turns it on. Select it, how much PSI you want it. I'm gonna go with 10. We're gonna get things going here. I have this set for 10 pounds. We got this fully deflated soccer ball here. We'll go ahead and put this needle inside. There's a hole, found it. Got it. Actually, you know what? I like my balls a little harder, so I'm gonna put it at 10 second or 11 psi. And I got my watch here. And let's get things started. Oop. That's pretty cool that you could just, set your setting here, turn it on, let it be. It's pretty convenient for coaches, especially when we're there setting up the field and really don't have time to go and pump all your balls. You can kind of just set one of the players to automatically do this, or you get started when you get there and while you set everything up. So far, so good. Now, this ball was fully deflated. Kind of sounds like it's starting to die off there. Huh? Uh-oh. What's that mean? Hopefully it's not dying on me. Those are brand new batteries. Again, I got this off of Amazon, the Zacro Automatic Electric Ball Pump for $19.99. Feels pretty good, but I can tell it's still This thing needs to get pumped up more. So this thing is an automatic pump, which means it should stop automatically when it has 11 psi. So I'm gonna just let it go. So far we're 2 minutes and 35 seconds. All right, so you guys can see I have it set for 11 psi. It's barely at 7 pounds, and we are 4 minutes and 20 seconds in. To be honest, it's kind of taking a long while for this. I've had a different product before. It was a whole lot quicker than this. No bueno for me. Sounds like it's about to shut off. I don't know what's going on. Well, we're almost done. 7 minutes and 40 seconds in. And there you go, we're finally done. Took about 7 minutes and 7 minutes and 50 seconds there. Yeah, that was it's pretty long for just one ball, if you ask me. It's probably a no-go. Ball is definitely inflated to 11 psi, so that's good on that part. I mean, it works. Just wish it was a little quicker. So yeah, guys, there you guys have it. That was the unboxing for the Zacro ball pump. It's an automatic air pump. It takes batteries, and it takes forever to pump up a ball. I'm giving it a second round here. I'm gonna see if it takes about the same time or what. But for me, it's just too slow. I'm usually always on the fly. I need my balls to be pumped a little bit quicker than this. At pretty much 8 minutes per ball. Yeah, it's a little too slow for my taste. Especially since I know that there's products out there that $5 more. I have a product that doesn't require batteries and is probably about twice as fast as this. Other than that, it's pretty cool design. I like it. I mean, still works. It's just a little too slow, like I said. But maybe you guys might like it. You guys want to go ahead and buy it, try it. But for me, it's a no. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Hit that like button if you do. Give me a subscribe, and look forward to showing you guys some more products in the future. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great one. Stay blessed. Peace.